everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I've just got a little unboxing. I had a coupon and it was for Amazon and I got this. So yeah, let's have a look at it and see what we got. Oh, it opens that way, Liz, don't let everything fall out. Okay, there it is. Okay, so right, let me look at this first because this is the reason I bought it. I've been wanting one of these for a while. This is a pen storage. So while you're diamond painting, if you're wanting to put your pens and your tools and your tweezers and all your bits and pieces, crinkly paper on your desk, then that's what this is for. You can store your scissors in it, which will go in those little bits there. I think you can see they're all like silicone rubber little compartments, some small, some big, that you can put everything in. You've got your tweezers there, you can stand those in it. You've got a little roller there that'll stand in. So yeah, they're it's just something I've wanted for a while because I do craft on my knee, and I just thought if I get this, then it's going to stop everything from rolling off my knee all the time. I can just stand this next to me. Plus as well, I did want a new roller, but I thought it was going to be a little bit better quality than this. But you pay for what you get, I'm afraid. It's a very, very light plasticky roller, that. So I suppose it may. It's just when I'm doing my diamond paintings, just in case I've not got things in the right place, then I do like to just roll her over before I do seal anything. It just makes sure that they're all firmly down. So yeah, it's all right. Very thin plastic with a funnel boat there. As I say, these are just all extras that I got with it. It was mainly this that I wanted, and the price that I've paid for everything was actually just over the price that I would have paid for one of these separately, so that's why I got it. So I wanted the roller as well, but we'll see how that goes. I'll have to have a play with that one. Got a lot of zips, a lot of bags there. Let's see what sort of quality these are. Medium quality, not brilliant. They won't last a huge amount of time. Yeah, if you just squeeze them at the side, it just help open them. So yeah, they're not the really thin cheapy ones, but they're not the huge best quality ones either. So that's a set of those. So it's the cheapy tweezers. Be careful with these because some of the edges are a little bit rough on them. They're not the best quality, but hey ho. Sorry, it sounds like I'm moaning about all this. They're not too bad. Yeah, I mean, for the price I paid, I mean, this is great. This is really heavy as well, and it's weighted, and I'm going to get lots stored in there. Let's put everything in here. So let's keep putting everything in here that we've got. That might be easier. So we've got pens with, that one's got a single placer, and it's like a curved, let me have a look. Is that that's a 9, that's a curved 9 placer. So I'll put that one in there. This one has 2 straighteners. Now these are quite handy. Your straightening tool if you're wanting to straighten your drills out that little bit. They're quite handy. It has a little brush. Have a look at the quality of this. Can't get in it. Just use my scissors so I can get in, for goodness sake. Yeah, just a little standard brush there. Oh, looks like we've got, yeah, you've got I wouldn't really use this for sealing my diamond painting. Yeah, I wouldn't. Yeah, I don't know what I'll use that for, but yeah, so maybe give it to the kids for painting. We've got some labels, always handy to have some spare labels. Don't mind those. Got another couple of pens here. That one's got a 3 placer on it. Let's pop that in there. That one's got a single placer, and is that a 4 placer? Let me have a look. Oh no, that's a 6 placer. So yeah, that one's got a curved 6-placer on it. Okay, got a big chunk of wax. We've got, oh, no, that's handy, that's a straightener. So if you're doing rows of diamonds, you can straighten them up, or you can go, I quite often go down the lines of my diamonds. Although I'm not a brilliant diamond painter, I'm not good at straight diamonds. Okay, got your little Mosfer white boat there with your spout. Okay, we've got lots of squishies. So we've got 8 of those in 4 different colours. I have seen a lot of people recently on the Facebook groups and things chopping these up and putting them in their spouts of their boats so that they're not losing the diamonds out. So otherwise you just use those on your pens. Oops, put those back in there. Just so you've got a bit extra grip and a bit of comfort when you're diamond painting, when you're using your pink pens. Just gives you, stops your hands getting quite so cramped if you like using those. We've got these, I've had these before. These are these funny little black storage trays. They all flip up singly. They don't really hold a lot though. And because they're black underneath, you can see what's in them on top, but because it's black, it does tend to make the colours sometimes a little bit different. So I'm not quite sure what I would use those for. But yeah, so you've got some little storage containers. I think that's everything. Yeah. So it was a nice little haul. As I say, we've got quite a bit in it. But I mainly wanted my stand. You will see me using my stand when I do my kitting up some whip and chats and things. But yeah, not bad. Just a little extra that I've got there. I do like to keep an eye out for special offers. And when you've got a coupon, it would just be rude not to use it. Okay, gosh, that's an awful lot of baggies there. Okay, so just put those all back in there for now. They don't all fit in. So, I hope you've enjoyed just having a look at this. Sorry, it hasn't all been positive on this one. Some of them aren't the best quality, but as I say, for the price I paid, I would have paid that for my little stand, and I love this. This is great. Can't wait to get using this. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed seeing these. Thanks for watching. If you've liked it, please press that like button, and if you subscribe, press that subscribe. There's a bell next to it as well. If you press that one, you'll be notified of any of the other videos that I put up, and I am trying to put them up quite regularly at the minute. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.